Hello, quick introduction to the video. My name is Cameron. I'm a graduate apprentice software engineer currently studying at Glasgow University, and I'm using this video as a way to sort of rubber ducky debug a LeetCode problem, just attempt to solve it, talk through my thought process, and hopefully it's useful to someone watching this. So the problem that I'm going to be attempting today is number 3028 and on the boundary. So the spec is as follows: an ant is on a boundary, sometimes it goes left and sometimes it goes right. You're given an array of non-zero integers nums. The ant starts reading nums from the first element of it to its end. At each step, it moves according to the value of its current element. It moves left if the current element is less than 0, and if the current value is greater than 0, it moves left by minus however many units. Okay. Return the number of times the ant returns to the boundary. Okay. There's an infinite space on both sides of the boundary. We can check whether the ant is on the boundary only after it's moved in said units. In other words, if the ant crosses the boundary during its movement, it does not count. Cool. So, example 1, nums is equal to 235, it's 1. After the first step, the ant is 2 steps to the right boundary, then it's 5 steps, because 2 plus 3 is 5. Then it does 5 minus 5, which takes you back to 0. 0 is a boundary, so the answer is 1. Constraints: the length of numbers, so the amount of steps that the ant's going to take, is between 1 and 100. And each value of steps, so at each step, the ant's going to take between minus 10 and 10 steps, and the ant's never going to move 0 steps in 1 step. So it's going to be between minus 10 and 10, but never 0. So let's switch over to our notes and write down any ideas. So we need almost like a running total or a current position, so track the current position. So iterate through steps, add current step value to current position. Then what we're going to do is we're going to check if current position is 0. If it is, add or increment boundary or boundary visits by 1. Okay. And then we're going to return the boundary visits. Cool. That's what we need to do, and let's take this and attempt to implement it. So let's copy in our notes, comment it out, and let's try this. So current position, so current, or just call it pause. It's going to be to 0, so iterates through steps. So for step in nums, what we're going to do is pause plus equal step. If pause equals 0, visits plus equals 1. We're going to return visits, and we're going to say up here visits is equal to 0. Let's try running this. Test case is accepted. Let's hit submit, and it's accepted. So thank you very much for watching the video. Hope it was useful to you in some way, shape or form. If it was, please leave a comment. Love discussing these problems and their solutions. And yeah, thank you once again for watching the video, and I hope you have a great day.